guys, welcome to you guys. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys to how to make a to buy a game pass in Roblox Studio. So let's get to the video. So first you need to go up here and insert a button. This is the button that you need to this is where the E button will be show up. You can customize this however you want. I'm just gonna keep it like that. Very simple. Then you are going to come to your part and insert a insert this in. Then you can come here and this is the time. Like I'm gonna put 1 second. They have to hold it, and this is the button they have to hold. I'm gonna keep it E as well. Then you need to come here and insert a script to it. Delete all the default script and then go down to the scroll down and copy and paste the script in the description. And when you copy and paste it in, let me just okay. Then you need to insert your Gamepass ID to here. Wait, before we go and test it, what is that? Oh, it's a subscribe button. Press the subscribe button and like this video and turn on the notifications so you guys won't miss any videos. Back to the video. Okay guys, so I inserted a game pass that I don't own, and you can see it will bring it. This is a fake buying, you won't buy it, it's a test. And this is the video. If you guys like the video, if you guys enjoy, like the video and subscribe. And I hope this helped you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.